Hey loves! What's up? It's Katt here and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be having a product review. I'm going to be trying out this Glavoir Bond Eyeliner and Lash Kit. Before we proceed with the video, you know what to do. Be sure you are subscribed to my channel if you haven't already and click the notification bell so you won't miss out any of my videos. Also, come and follow me on Instagram and TikTok so you can see some content that I will be posting here on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. For those who are curious bakit Glavoir yung branding nila, it says here on their website, it says Gla or GLA from the word glamour, which means an attractive or exciting quality that makes certain people or things seems appealing. Voix from a French word that means to seek. So parang ito, kapag talagang pinagsama na rin ko, wow, it's super sleek and classy, parang pakinggan, diba? So Miss Christina was kind enough to send me their bond eyeliner and lash kit. I'm very excited because this would be my second time to try out adhesive eyeliner that is available here in the Philippines. Before we open it up, I'm going to read the description from their website. So it says, with its ultimate precision, the Faux Mink lashes from Glavoir Bond Eyeliner and Lash Kit is a quick lash application that is very easy, light, and effortless to apply. It's a waterproof, weather-resistant eyeliner that won't fuzz, flake, budge, or smudge. It stays on all day. Can also be removed easily with no clumpy residue. This product claims 100% cruelty-free, latex and paraben-free, and no lash glue magnets needed. So this costs 1,649 pesos, but as I am filming right now, sale sila, it's now 1,449 pesos. But I'm not sure kung magkano yung shipping, guys. I'm very sorry. But you can check it out sa pag-checkout nyo if ever interested kayo for sa Glavoir. So this is the kit looks like. So we have here at the top the tweezers, and on the side is the Glavoir Bond Eyeliner, and we have here the 5 different style of Faux Mink lashes. Luckily, it's not tested on animals, kaya matatry natin siya today. First row is Keep It Classy. Second is Rise and Slay. Third is On Flicked. Fourth is Keep It 100 or 100. And the last we have here is Yas Queen. So, fairness, very informative dun sa website nila kasi dito makikita nyo yung size ng mga lash hair ba? Magandang tawag din. Basta yun. So, makikita nyo dito kung gano'ng kahaba, yung bawat size sa gitna and such. So, yan. So, I'm going to prep my eyelids using the Maybelline Super Stay Concealer. By the way, if you're going to ask me, nagko-control ba to ng oil sa lids? No. Since we're just going to do a review, eto pwede na. But, if gagamitin nyo naman siya for like, throughout the day, I would suggest to use an eye primer. Now, I'm going to take the Bond Eyeliner. Tapos, para matesta natin siya. So, ayan siya. Nakalagay dito yung logo. Sa baba, nakalagay yung product name, Lash Adhesive Liner. Sa baba, shelf life niya is 2 years. And that weight is 1.2 ml. So, based on instruction, it says, shake Glavoir Bond Eyeliner well before use. So, mag-start muna ako sa right eye ko. And then, make sure to close it agad. Once nadikit nyo na sa lashes nyo, make sure to press it sa may mismong natural lashes nyo. This is the Yas Queen lashes looks like. It's super nice, diba? Parang di mo na kailangan ng winged liner to wear this lashes kasi siya na yung gumagawa nun para sa'yo. Super nice. Like, lumiwanag yung mata ko unlike earlier, diba? The quality is super nice. To think, ito yung pinaka, sabi natin level 5, ito yung more on glam look, but still it has that natural looking pa din. Diba? Look at that. Hindi siya yung mukhang, paano ba explain to? May iba kasing synthetic na lashes na ang gandang tignan, but once you apply to your eyes, mukha siyang fake at the same time, mukha na siyang shiny. Diba? Hindi na siya ganun ka-natural tignan. But with this one, super nice. I love the quality. It's lightweight. So, since this is the second adhesive liner na tinasat ko sa channel ko, yung mga steps na ginawa ko sa first one is gagawin ko dito sa second one ko. So, step 1 is windproof. I have here my hair dryer. Ayun. Fail. Okay. napunta sa mata ko. So far so good. Still in place. Yeah, walang gumalaw. Windproof? Check. Class 2 is pulling proof. So, titignan natin kapag, like, for example, nahawakan mo lang ng gano'n, natatanggal ba siya agad or whatever. But, wag naman tayong pinloso po, diba? Like, talaga, if pull off pa talaga siya ng, like, bonggang-bongga with too much pressure, talaga patatanggal to, guys, okay? So, titignan natin. Okay, so first one is I have to pull it like this. Oh, nice. Still intact. Let's try the other side. Mararamdaman nyo naman if nakadikit pa rin, if yung mismong skin is sumasama. Okay, zoom in ko kayo. Okay, so again, pull. Kung nakikita nyo, diba, sumasama yung lash line ng balat ko. O basta yung balat dun sa lash line ko. Diba, sumasama siya, meaning intact pa rin siya. Pulling proof? Check. Third test is rubbing the lashes. May nangyari. So, rubbing? Check. So, for the final test, I'm very excited about this one, is waterproof. Mag-spray tayo ng water or setting spray sa eyes natin. But for this video, water naman ang gagamitin ko. Diba, the previous one, yung first adhesive eyeliner na tinasot ko sa channel ko, is setting spray. So, baka mismo nag-set siya, baka may mapilaw sa po dyan, setting spray ginamit mo, blah, blah, blah. So, let's try H2O. Tapang ko lang yung this part ng face ko, para sa eyes lang siya nakafocus, okay? Let's see. Alam ko malakas yung mist na to eh. So, tingnan natin. Wah! Okay. Pagpantay natin. Oh. Nasobrahan ka, te. So, now let's try to pull it off. Oh, nice. Ayan ang sinasabi ko. Sa inner corner ko yung concealer, makikita nyo na yung skin ko kasi kayo na pa nga to umiiyak-iyak mag-isa. May mood swing siya. Ooh, that's nice. Pati sa kabila. Waterproof? Check. Overall, I enjoyed using the Glavoir Bond Eyeliner and Lash Kit. Another great adhesive liner in the market right now here in the Philippines. What I like about this kit is because yung bond eyeliner nila is maganda yung formula. Hindi matapang yung amoy. So, basically, wala siyang stingin sa eyes. Perfect for those who have sensitive eyes. And guys, this is perfect talaga sa mga beginners. Why? If you guys aren't a fan of mga lash glue, kasi nga, it's either mabigat, it's either matapang yung amoy, stinginess, if you have sensitive skin, hindi mo na-endure yung scent niya or minsan naiiyak-iyak yung mata mo dahil sa lash. Basically, parang eyeliner lang talaga siya. Also, nakakatawa sa kanila is they are vegan, 100% cruelty-free, latex, and paraben-free. So, if you guys are interested with Glavoir products, they are available at www.glavoir.com. And this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so you won't miss out any of my videos. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye!